You mentioned that practical job-ready programs and kayo yung nagsusupply ng demand within the community, ng mga industries. Ano naman itong mga industries na to? Kasi syempre, baka may student na gusto ng fashion design. Meron ba kayong ganon?
Okay, good question, Miss Kat. Wala kaming fashion design. But in Manitoba province, meron kasing steady demand ng healthcare, skilled trades, IT, finance, which when we say steady demand kasi, yun talaga yung kailangan ng Manitoba all year round.
Yeah.
For how many years now? In which, yun yung mga programs na meron tayo sa
Okay.
MIT.
Sige, so you mentioned healthcare. Ano yung program under healthcare?
Siguro yung ma-highlight ko na program na MITD is yung Medical Assistant and Patient Care. Kasi it's a 2-year program. It's a combination. Kumbaga, this program kasi is you're already hitting 2 birds in 1 stone. Kasi combination siya ng clinical and at the same time administrative side ng hospital. So, if you will check our programs, ano siya, yung curriculum niya is combination siya ng healthcare aid and personal support worker, which is on the clinical side. And then the other one is medical assistant program, which is the operations and admin side of the hospital or clinic. So if you will take yung medical assistant and patient care, yun na yun. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-extend ng study permit. And then once you graduate, you can apply for either of the industries.
What about for finance? You mentioned earlier for finance.
For finance, we have applied business in general Pero under business kasi namin, meron tayong supply chain, global supply chain management. So yung global supply chain natin, it kind of covers majority of the business. Kasi may operation siya, may accounting, kino-cover ni supply chain yon. And at the same time, yung supply chain mismo, na nagfo-fall siya dun sa transport industry, which is pasok na pasok siya dun sa PGWP eligibility update. Then ang ma-highlight ko na program is yung cybersecurity analyst. It's because ang cybersecurity analyst kasi may demand siya.
For sure. Kasi we are in digital era, guys. So, very prominent ngayon yung mga AI, mga artificial intelligence, saka lahat ngayon digital na, online na. So, syempre, kailangan natin ng security dahil may mga attack ng mga viruses and all that, saka mga hackers. Kaya talagang itong cybersecurity, dapat ito talaga ang kino-consider.
And actually, Miss Kat, hindi lang siya limited. Yung career prospect nila after graduation, hindi lang siya limited sa IT industry. Pero if mag-graduate sila ng cybersecurity analyst, they can also apply to government, to